ही आयज आमी लॉन्च करता. इनफॅक्ट ताजे ड्राय रन्स काल जाले. ऑलरेडी 4 people have successfully loaded it online. 10 applications have come, so they will also balance also will load, because it puts this act puts strong restriction on how much money you can take, how much you can use, and for what purpose. Or speculative trading will stop. सो आयज कंज्युमर जी कंप्लेन करता पळय की सोसायटी करून दिवना, मागीर पयशे घेतले आनी फ्लॅट दिवना, ऑल दॅट वील स्टॉप. बिकॉज ओन्ली 70% मॅक्सिमम amount can be withdrawn from the advance payment, right? And that 70% also is based on certification of chartered architect, chartered engineers. So there is an authority, chartered accountant. They will certify that he has done so much work. Then only money will be released.
रेरा खाला बिल्डरांक नोंदणीक दिल्लो 90 दिसांचो प्रात 24 फेब्रुवारीक सोंपता. उपरांत रजिस्टर जातले जाल्यार फायन भरपाची. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा आयिल्ल्या सुचोवण्यांचेर विचार चल्ला. केंद्रीय कायद्या आड दुरुस्त सुचयल्ल्यो आसल्यार ताचो विचार जावंक शकना.
So we have launched the website. The 90 days end on 24th February. But if there are some problems, they can always approach us. We will take decision about it closer to the closure. We'll see if really the difficulty exists. I don't guarantee any extension beyond 24th February as of now. The penal provision. They can register, I think, delayed with charges. I don't think anyone really worth his salt would not have prepared himself, because they got enough time. RERA applicability came in June. Then we got the rules notified in the month of October or something like that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.